Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Cheshniak Shimash, good day y'all, ni hao, and yes, I'm back, and I've got today, for the first video coming back, is a product review. I got contacted by LETOUR Lighting, asking if I would like to review and demonstrate their product. This is the T03 version of the lamps that they have, or one of the lamps that they have. This is a LED multifunctional lithium lamp, light source, charging, large capacity on the battery, and it has a remote control. Now, I am fascinated. I love all different kinds of lights. I've got lamps and lights in all the kitchen cupboards and the workshop. Fascinated. I love them. So when they asked me to do this review, I jumped at the chance because some of my favorite items, and I'd never reviewed this product before. So we have here the 40cm version of it. You can use it at night, reading, outdoor camping. It's got a red and blue flash. It's got a mounting bracket and a strong magnet attachment to it as well. So that's enough waffling. Let's get you guys closer and open up, and let's have a look and see what's inside. So there's three different types with this particular one. There's the T01, which is 20 centimeters, the T02, which is 30 centimeters, and the T03, which is 40 centimeters, which is the one that we have here. Now you can get these on Amazon. Links are in my video description, so just head on down there and hit the link. Okay, right, so inside we have, these are magnetic sticky pads. We have a USB-C charging cable. And we have the light itself. And I can see here straight away that it's got a hook on it. And also these two metal parts on it where the screws are. And these are for these pads there. So I think you can, yeah, they go on there so that you can attach it using these magnetic pads. It also has a screw here, so you can screw this into a standard size if you want to use it on a tripod. And it's also got this hook, and that also will act as a kind of stand. On this side here, we've got the charging. And on this side here, oh, so that's the on and off switch. Okay, wow. Okay, so those are the different modes. So we have a cold light, we have a warm white, we have a mixture of the both to have full brightness, and then we also have these as well, so you could use this as a warning signal if you broke down or something, or just kind of any kind of like warning, or if you're having a disco. And off. Right, okay, so that is nice and simple. On the back, LED multifunctional lithium battery emergency lamp, 7,500 milliwatt hours or milliamp hours. Okay, so first thing I need to do is to make sure it is fully charged. So I've got the cable here. That's quite a nice long cable on it, USB-C. Over here, I also have my own connected up. So if we plug it in the back, on the side there, and there we go. And then that little screen there shows that it is charging. When you unplug it, and it tells you what the state of the battery's in. So that's really good. So you can see how much battery you've got left from this dial there. And if you leave it on, and if you leave it for a few seconds, you can just then turn it off. Oh, hang on a second. Let's put it on there. If you leave it for a few seconds, I know this from other torches that I have, that you don't have to go through all the different settings on it. I think it should do it now. Yep, there we go. You can turn it off. So I think if you wait like 5 or 6, 10 seconds, then you're able to just turn it off without going through each of the cycles first. Right, okay, so let's get that on charge. It's not going to take long because it's already high. Okay, so that didn't take long just to charge up to 100%. The other feature on it as well, which I like, is that you can use it as an emergency sort of like battery. So say, for example, you've got this in your car. You can put in your normal USB. Oh, wrong one. Because I've got an old phone. I can plug it in. And then I can charge up my phone. There we go. So I can use it as a charger as well, an emergency charger if I need to, which I think is a really good feature. And also can use it for other stuff as well, for charging or powering. Now, if you go into the light settings, so I got it on warm, and if you hold the button down, you can actually choose how bright you want it. That's all the way up, and that's all the way low. So if you wanted it sort of like not so bright, and for the battery to last longer, you can hold on to it and you can make it brighter. Or so that's the brightest setting, and then you got the dimmest setting. That's on the brightest. That's with all the LEDs on full power. Or you can have all the LEDs on lower power, and it flashes to tell you when it's at the lowest. I'm going to have it on the brightest. There we go. Right, so let's have a look and see where we can use it. So let's say, for example, that I am doing some work on washing machines and stuff like I normally do, and I need some extra light. Then I can just attach it, because this is magnetic, and you can just attach it. So I've now got a light. Where's the on button? There we go. Now I've now got a light directly above where I'm working. So let's say I need to work on my car, which is not really workable because there's nothing there. I can just simply attach it to the top of the car, and then it holds up to it. Or I can use the little hook, and I can just hook that on, and then I can hook it on, and then I can hold it that way and work on the engine if it had one. Let's say I need to get into the boot to see something. Again, I can then add the extra lighting on like that, which stays onto the metal with the magnetic. Or I can use the hook that it comes with, and I can just hook it on, and I can get light that way. So basically, with the magnetic at the back, the magnetic points, you can use it on anything. That, especially like for me, for using it on in the workshop, as long as it's metal, I can either stick it to it or I can use the hook. So that is really handy, and it is a lovely big chunky bright light. Okay, let's say for example I'm cooking and I need some extra light. Then again, I can just attach it like that, and it'll stay on there. As you can see, I need to clean that, but it is really bright. Yeah, I'll choose it on the warm light, so I can have it on the both of them. That stays up there. Really nice and bright. If I need to as well, I can pop it on top of my outdoor umbrella, so I can have outdoor lighting. I can keep it on the side of the medicine cabinet, which is metal, in the utility room, and then I can use that then to go outside and use as a night light for when the doggies need to go for a wee. I can use this light and see where they are going and what they're up to. Now, what I really wanted this for was to use to light up my grass wall. So I've put the metal sticky pads on there. I've taken off the metal strip on the other side, and that's just, and I've taken off the sticky pad. So I'm going to judge halfway for the grass wall. And I think, yeah, that will be fine. And now I have a backlight for my grass wall in the workshop, in the in the garden room. So if I put it on, I don't want it on too, let's have a look. I want it on a mix, and I want it on low, so that's on high. And then I push the button again and it goes on to its lower setting, but I want it a bit brighter than that. That'll do for the night, just to give a little bit of backlight to the garden wall in the garden room. The garden wall in the garden room. Okay, so I will put a picture up of that when it's night time so you can see the full effect of it. I have it on warm white and I have it on quite low, but we'll get to see how much of a feature that makes when it becomes night. I'll add a picture at the end. So there we go, guys. That is a video of the T03 40cm multi-use LED light. I will put some pictures up now after this video of using it in the dark, so it doesn't get dark till very late tonight. So tonight I will do exactly the same kind of demonstrations with pictures, so you'll see how much light you do get with it, and it is really, really bright. So, but yeah, that's where I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it in the garden room above the garden wall to give it some more ambience and light. But I'll put some pictures up now for you to see all the different uses. It's made really, really well. It's not flimsy. It's really nice and strong. I only recommend products that I personally would buy myself, and I really would buy this. So go down into the video description. You will see a link to LETOUR lighting where you can see the different options where you can buy it. And yeah, you'll really enjoy it, I think. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, y'all.